Through research, I found a lot of programs through Cabrillo. I had been familiar with the school prior to enrolling in the program. I had been a student for quite a few years. When I saw that Cabrillo offered the dental hygiene program, it just felt like a natural fit. My name's Osuna. I first started thinking about dental hygiene. It was at a time in my life where I was trying to find something new to do career-wise. I had been a dog groomer for a little over 5 years at that point, and I knew I wanted to change and I kind of wanted to pivot to something different.
My name is Cabrillo Lopez. I am one of the employment service specialists for the WIOA program. And my job is to help individuals look for jobs, guide them through their journey, and help them succeed.
Roberto Lopez, my caseworker, he was always messaging me and asking how things are going with the program and offering any assistance that I needed. Most of my time during the program was kind of reserved for studying, and so I had to sacrifice a lot of time with friends and family, but I knew that if I stayed motivated, it would pay off in the end.
Isaiah was this individual who just already off the bat knew what he wanted to do. He took initiative to enroll into classes and just was really energetic, more motivated. I saw that passion, that drive, which made my job a little bit easier for me, just case management wise, kind of helping through the whole journey.
The WIOA service that really made a huge impact, especially in the beginning, was the financial assistance. This actually helped me to get started with my training and had a large impact on my success with the dental hygiene program. The amount of support and coaching that I also received throughout helped me kind of stay motivated and believe in myself. During my time at Cabrillo, I learned a lot about patient care and quality of patient care. They have a lot of great instructors here. The clinic that they have for students to train in and learn skills, and also get to work with a lot of technologies that are being introduced into the dental hygiene field. It's very state-of-the-art.
The skills I saw Isaiah develop during this journey as being more detail-oriented, more confidence. He became this brave, strong individual, and the result was him graduating, and he is a really good human being, so it was a pleasure working with him.
This program helped change my life. The thing that I'm most proud of at this point in my journey is seeing how far I've come and just kind of reflecting on the times where I doubted myself. I'm just proud that I managed to graduate from the program and find myself employed with Dientes. In the very beginning, I needed help getting started with my path into this profession. Now that I'm in a position to help people and help patients, I feel like things have just come full circle.